Hello guys, today I have 10 euro session of the new summer tickets. Birang guys means summer, okay? I only bought 5 because most of cheap tickets they give cheap prices, and most of the times out of 5 tickets 1 win for 2 euro coffee money. So I learned my mistake by buying maximum 10 in these cheap tickets. Okay? So, hola. Mais um dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Hoje eu tenho novas raspadinhas. O número 19 a 23. Okay? In order to win this ticket, we're looking for higher than the given temperature here. Okay, for Portuguese people, okay, raspi aria do jogo. Si uma ou mais das temperaturas por superior a temperatura máxima ganha a quantia ou a suma das quantias indicadas ao lado dessas mesmas temperaturas. Pode ganhar em várias linhas. Okay, my pronunciation, guys, of Portuguese is terrible, but at least I tried. Some people they live here for 20 years, they don't try, but me, I tried my hardest. Okay, so the odds of winning. Jesus, a lot of explanation, huh? The odds of winning are 1 in 3.80. It's terrible for cheap tickets. And the jackpot is 20,000, only 2 tickets for whatever reason. And the next highest price, 5,000 and 1,000, 14 tickets, and a lot of small prizes. That's what you expect in cheap tickets. Okay, I'm gonna use Miss Money. What is the give me 18 degree? 31. It's a little bit high, guys. 22, 30. Oh my Dios. This is size. The prices is in here, guys. This set 26, 23, 25. Aha! It's a winner, guys. I got higher than the given temperature. 30 ohm, and I got 40 for 5 euro as always. Okay, so I got 5 euro. The price is here, guys, in this area. Okay, so this is a winner, guys. 5 euro win. Okay, here 5 euro. I cannot scratch this. Okay, so this is a winner because I got higher than the given temperature. What's the lottery code for 5 euro? L. L. Before L was 50. Now it's 5 euro. The 0 is missing. Okay, so ticket number 23 is a winner. Oh, I started with 23. Jesus. Okay, so I have to supposed to be 19. Okay, so I go to 22. So Miss Money give me a win. Okay, so let's go. I don't know, guys, why my phone keep stopping. Okay, so ticket number 22. I'm gonna use Miss Money. My kabayan, guys, means countryman or countrywoman. Okay, so I want to see 16 here as a given temperature. 32, not bad, not so high. 32 graus, 25. 19, 18, 30, 32. What is here? The barcode. 22, 30 ohm. Oh meu Deus. 26, 18, 22, 20 ohm. Ground. Okay, is that degree, guys? In Portuguese is ground, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So this is not a winner. because 32 and all lower than 32. So this is not a winner as expected. Okay, so we go to 21. I'm gonna use random red coin. Okay, give me 16. Oh meu Dios, 43. It's so high. It's so hot. 20 ohm. 19. 38. Give me 50. 30 ohm. No. Lower. 33. 22. 32. No. All lower than 43 degree. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay. Okay, I have 2 more 21, so let's go to 20. Gonna use M2M. Come on, give me lower temperature. Come on. 36. Oh my God, it's high. For 20,000. 35. 30. 27. 24. Come on, give me higher than 36. 32. 16. 23. No. This 36 is too high, guys. Okay. We have our last hope. Our last hope. Ticket number 19. Okay, 19. Gonna use J-Sard scratches. Let's hope this is a winner. Come on, give me good temperature. Cold, give me cold temperature. Oh my Dios, 38. 35 for 20,000. 36. 28. 33. 25. 24. Oh meu Dios, 18. 20 ohm. 17. 34. Nada. Oh meu Dios. Very high temperature, guys. Give me all the very hot temperature. Look at this. 36. 43. 32. 32. Okay, so no. This one is 38. So no. Okay, so as expected, I got 1 win for €5. What else? Okay, so I spent €10 and I got back €5. €5 sure is a winner, no doubt. Okay, so the odds of winning are 1 in 3 point. I forgot 80. So I got 1 win, so it makes sense. Okay, so I got €5 back out of €10 session, guys. That's why I don't like to buy cheap tickets. Now, okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.